If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to a Solana video update. Right, so Solana is still green, pretty good, pretty amazing. But now be careful because again, I'm just going to give you a rewind here. So the last time I talked about Solana on the weeklies that it has the 3 red candles known as 3 black rows, a little bit of the arrow to the upside, and continue to shoot even lower. So the only reason why you had this pump right over here is not because you bottomed out, in my opinion, but it's because you were oversold to the downside and you needed a little bit of a break to push back up. But from next week, you might start to see huge volatility in the market. Now you still have chances to even pump all the way to $12, $13. That's where on the weekly you have this whole zone of free pumps, and if you want to do any pump you can still move all the way to $13. Even $13.5 in my opinion is something that makes sense. But then again, keep one thing in mind: do not ignore the bear flag. That's your bear flag. Okay, it's a bear flag and it takes you down. It totally takes you down from the top to the bottom right here, and you're looking for this to continue to that price target. $4.55 is a technical target out of a bear flag, simple. And the only way to invalidate a bear flag is to come above the flag, break above $15. If you break above $15, then I will give you a technical target of potentially coming up to $23, and that can be traded. Okay, that for me is a trading zone. You can even enter at 14.3 and you might be looking for a 62% trade. Amazing. But if it happens, we still have a lot of time to trade this thing. Can you miss? Yes, I might be able to miss this right here. This for me is not something I'm going to trade, but if it turns out that it's going to break above the flag, then this is a zone that I'm going to take. But this is not a zone that I'm going to take. That's a zone I'm going to be willing to take in the future. And this for me, even this box right over here, this whole box is nothing for me to trade. But in the future, if it does start to come down to 4.5 and 3.5, this for me is another trading zone. However, I'm gonna end up trading in one way or the other. It's either right over here as a plan, or it's either right over here as my part of the plan. It's definitely not gonna be in this huge big zone right there. So that's pretty much it for this update on Solana. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.